Are you wondering how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your computer? It's a great option for sports fans who want to stream games directly from their browser. In this video, I'll show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV through the website. Let's dive in. Watching live football on YouTube TV via the website is simple and convenient. First, head over to tv.youtube.com and log into your YouTube TV account. If you don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the Live tab or use the search bar to find the football game or channel you're looking for, like ESPN, Fox, or NBC, which often broadcast games. Click on the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can also set up reminders for upcoming games by adding them to your DVR library. The website works seamlessly on any browser, so you can enjoy the game without needing an app. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV through the website, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.